I wanted this children's picture book about true friendship and positive collaborations based on a true story, but only loosely, to be 8.5 inches square with full bleed pages. I sent the book dimensions and the full bleed request to illustrator Tanya, who I met and engaged through Upwork.com. The illustrations needed to be 8.625 inches by 8.625 inches. Tanya sent me this sketch for page 23. Chippy, being carried by Alan the Hawk, is in the upper left corner. We decided to make this sequence a two-page spread. So Chippy, being carried by Alan, is not in the completed illustration that Tanya sent me. Now here in my Canva account, we will create a design. We'll select custom size, change units to inches, and then we'll type in the full bleed dimensions for an 8.5 inch picture book, 8.625, 8.625 width and height. Create new design. And here it is. Here's our blank canvas. Next, we'll go to uploads. Upload files. And then we'll upload the completed illustration that Tanya sent me. And it uploads. Next, we'll drag that illustration onto our blank canvas so that it fills up the whole area as shown here. Next, we'll add a text box to this illustration. Add a text box. And then we'll move this text box and then type in the text for this page. Chippy called up. Actually, it's Mortimer. Mortimer called up. We'll get there. Come on, it's Mortimer. Okay. Colon, open quotes. Chippy, exclamation mark. Bite Harry Hawk on the toe. Exclamation mark. Exclamation mark. Here we go. Close quotes. Next, we'll position the text box again. And we'll change the font. We'll change the font size to make it a bit bigger. You can rearrange the size of the text box and move it to where you want it to be. Next, we'll click the Share button, download, file type, PDF print. Next, we'll check the Flatten PDF checkbox. And then we'll select CMYK, best for professional printing. Double check the settings, and then we'll click Download. I decided to go rogue and download this page with the RGB color profile. PDF still flattened. Now we will open a Finder window here on this Mac OS computer. We'll open the Documents folder, knock, knock. And next we'll open the manuscript PDF, which has the other book pages. And Ziggy wants to know, where's Chippy? We'll scroll down to where we want to insert the new page. It's right about here. Next, we'll go back to the Finder window and open the Downloads folder. This is where the page that we created in Canva is currently residing. But I'll open the Went Rogue PDF because that's the page I created with the RGB color profile. And we'll get into why in the next section of this video. We'll open that. Thumbnails. Move this over a little bit. And then we'll drag this PDF to where we want it to be in the manuscript file, which is right here. Next, we'll go View, 2 pages. Tanya and I decided on a double page spread for this sequence. If we look at it in full screen, it looks pretty good. Here's the book itself, which was printed through Amazon KDP. All of the pages were printed with the RGB color profile, including the one that we demonstrated how to create using Canva. Here it is. Here's the full page spread. I wanted to see the differences between the RGB color profile and the CMYK color profile and went with the RGB. That's timber.
Thank you very much, brother.